Today we're going to be making this cell phone holder from scratch. Alright guys, to start this project off, we're going to cut one board at 9 1/2 inches and another board at 5 1/2 inches. After this, we're going to cut 2 channels in each of these boards. These channels will then fit into each other later on, making the board so it's tilted so we can set our phone on top of it. Alright guys, now that we cut our 2 boards out, it's time to cut the grooves in them. To do this, I'm going to use a jigsaw. Alright guys, now that we got the channels cut, we can just slide these 2 boards in just like that. And then that's basically it. But there's one more step. We have to put the hole for the power cord to come out. So to do that, I'm just going to use the drill. And after that, the project was done. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.